let us learn how to edit a document. In that first one, selecting the text. So you are going to keep the mouse like this. Can you see the cursor is here? This eye mark, it's called cursor. Now left button of the mouse, you have to double click and drag it till where you want to select the text or whatever you have typed. So from here I'll drag till here. So this is how you select. The blue color thing is what? Select. Then what you do? Right click and then say copy. You can also cut. Then what you'll do? I wanted the same thing here down. So what I'll do? Again right click, say paste. So same thing will come down. Whatever this first line I had selected, same thing came down. This is how you select. So children, next we'll learn how to insert a text. Suppose you have typed from here till here. Okay. Now I want to insert the text next. So this is the cursor. You are seeing this line? It is the cursor. Place the cursor where you want. So I don't want here. I want next line. So I'll take enter. You press enter, it will go to next line. So what I'll type there, this much we have typed. Microsoft is one of the most commonly used word processing application software. It is the best software. This is what I typed. This is how you insert the text after placing the cursor where you want. Children, next let us learn how to copy the text. So what you'll do, you know how to select. So this text I want to copy. So I'll select this much. Then what I'll do, I'll go to home. Press on home. So you have a option here. So what? Copy. Then what you'll do, you'll place the cursor here down wherever you want to copy. I placed it here. Then what I'll do, go to home button again. No, I'll go here and click on right button of the mouse, say paste. See here, same, I got it pasted. So this much you are going to select. Then what you'll do, you go to copy. Then what you are going to do, next place the cursor where you want. Then what you'll do, here paste. Okay, you can use right button of the mouse also, or else you can go to home tab and press paste. See, once again this thing appeared. See, paste. Once again things appeared. So this is what, how you copy. Next we will learn how to move the text, that is cut and paste option. So what you'll do, similarly I want to cut this much, processing application software, this much I'll select, go to home button, like as usual you go, say cut. Okay, that much will be gone. See, that part which we had selected is gone. Now again place the cursor here, I want it here. Click there, then go to home and say paste. See here, the processing application software, this much again it came, which you had cut. So children, now let us learn how to delete. So what I am going to do, this much I am going to select. So what I'll do, if I want, I can overwrite. Whatever you want, you type. Most commonly it is there, no? Commonly, I'll replace it with usually. So I want to replace it. Like this also you can delete. One more method is use what? So this was original which we had. One more method is what you'll do, you'll use backspace. So keep the cursor here, click on backspace here. Okay, button. So this can be deleted like this also. One more method is what you'll do, delete key. So this much you are going to select again. Okay, then what you are going to do? You are going to use the delete key on the keyboard. Press delete key. See here. See, that word is gone. This is how you delete the text.